Welcome. We're here to present our project with IBM. So, who are we? I am Arif Salami, and this is?
I'm Fagan Anton.
We're IBMers from O'Connell Secondary School, and on this project, I worked as the team lead, full stack developer, and backend developer.
And I was the project manager, front-end developer, and AI motion specialist, which is the chatbot.
So, what is our project?
So our project was creating a fitness website, which is named Fit and Fire. So it comes with a complimentary chatbot, which is Bucky. It is for all those people who want to be jacked like me. And it has many like fitness tips and all. Yeah. So first of all, why did we create this website? Many users struggle to get timely, accurate, and consistent responses to their questions when interacting with businesses or services.
And traditional supports like email, phone calls, and FAQs are usually too slow for users.
This leads to users' frustration and makes the users hate the website.
Okay, so what can we do to solve this problem?
So we created an appealing, easy-to-use fitness website that users can easily navigate through.
Fit and Fire is a website that has a chatbot that can help users by answering questions. It reduces the amount of calls our customer care teams get, and it handles features like booking plan and trainings.
Yeah, so this is a flow diagram of our chatbot, Fit and Fire.
Our chatbot is trained with 23 different actions, and these 23 different actions have an average of 20 example questions, and they have an average of 10 steps per action. Now, you might not know what all that means, but it just means that once you get into the website, you have these options that you can choose from. So it greets you and then gives you options you can choose from. And those options leads to questions and answers. It gets your details and give you results that corresponds to what you're looking for.
Our chatbot also remembers the user's preference and choices, and even their name if they want. Oh, so these are the challenges that we face making the chatbot.
One of it is user intent. You know this yourself. You guys are very weird. You never say things the way you mean it. And an AI has to interpret that vague, incomplete, and ambiguous input, which is usually very hard. So how did we solve this?
Options and pre-made answers. So we had to tackle this. We provided users with options to choose instead of free text.
And another problem with you guys is natural conversation flow. So humans have this built-in conversation flow in their head where they naturally recollect what has been said to them and reference it in conversations. While AI doesn't have the capacity to do that. So we had to train it. And how did we do that?
We used variables to personalize the results.
So, our tech stack. What did we use in the project and what did they do? This is GitHub. We use this for version control. This makes it so that Ian and I can work on the same project at the same time and know who did what where. And we actually edited our project using Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is the tool that talks to the front end and the back end. What is the front end? The front end is literally the website, so it's what you see. We made the front end using these three tools: the HTML, which is the skeleton of the website, the CSS is literally the skin of the website, and the clothes, the accessories, making it look beautiful, and JavaScript. JavaScript is the brain of the website. That brain sends a signal to the backend. And what does the backend do? The backend is the brain. It's the backend, yeah, it's kind of the brain, and it stores the memory in the database. The database is the memory of the website. So the backend talks to the front end, and we get our chatbot through the backend. So the chatbot lives in IBM Water Assistants. That's where we got the chatbot from. And we use other tools like...
Yeah, we also use Google for additional information, Draw.io for the flowchart of the chatbot, and Canva to find the design of our site.
So now we're going to show you a live demo of our website. So with the help of my colleague here, I'm going to show you a live demo of our website. This is our landing page. Look at that beauty. Tell me you don't like what you see. No, you can't tell me that, you're wrong. So we have fully functional buttons, and on our website, what makes our project unique is that we've added an authentication where you can log in and sign up. With a volunteer from the crowd, we will now sign you up. We're going here.
Lucas?
So Lucas, full name?
Yeah, Graham?
We'll go with Lucas.
We'll go with Lucas.
gmail.com.
And a hard password to guess.
1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wait, 1, 2, 3.
5, 4,
1, 2, 3, 4. Don't make it more complicated than it needs to be. Okay, we already. Oh, did we already sign up for that? If you forget your password, that's on you.
Wait, crap.
No, I remember the password.
So. Sorry, it was on the wrong port, so it didn't send data to the backend. Okay, so account successful. What does that look like in our database? So we'll quickly just show you how we store your information.
After we go.
So if we scroll down, you can see that we successfully added your account to our website, and your password has been hashed, so no one can breach in without, of course, having your password. Now, I hope you do remember that password, because I don't. What's your password?
1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Login successful. As you can see, our website is it's so user friendly that it already knows your name based on you giving us your name. So welcome back, Lucas. These are the features you have access to. Let's calculate your BMI. Let's see. What's your height?
Height, I'm 167.
167. What's your weight?
55 kg.
55. Someone knows his stats.
Yeah.
And what's your age?
16.
16. Quite young. So, you're a big eater. You eat about 19 a day, 1,519 calories. So, that we have way more useful features that's helpful for anyone going to the gym or doing any fitness plan. But my colleague now is going to demonstrate how to actually use our chatbots.
Okay, so the name of our chatbot is Baki. It's available 24/7. So we'll choose how to gain muscles. Anyone want to volunteer? Me. Okay, so the chatbot will ask you to choose like one of our professional trainers. So we'll just say yes.
Because of GDPR, we now have to actually ask you if you're available to share your information. So I don't want to go to jail. So do you want to share your information?
No, I do.
Okay. Yes. What's your name?
And what's your name?
Lucas?
Lucas.
It's with K.
Yeah, I might have spelled that wrong. Sorry.
So which option would you like?
I'll take email.
Email.
Can you please give us your email?
Lucas at gmail.com, yeah.
What is your main fitness goal? So
Ooh, I wanna build muscle.
Good choice.
what's your current fitness level?
Oh, I'm advanced.
No, you're not. No, you're not.
Beginner.
How would you prefer to train?
In person.
What type of trainer do you like? Motivational or
I'll take motivational and supportive.
So we understand for some religious reasons, some persons might prefer to train with similar gender. For example, I'm Muslim, and we're not allowed to touch the opposite gender, so I prefer to train with a male. Do you have any preference like that, or you're fine with anyone?
I'm fine with anyone.
and your preferred location? Where would you like it?
Dublin, yeah.
So based on what you've told us, our chatbot has searched our database and given you the best trainer to match your preference. So we found Johnny, who specializes in building muscle programs and work well with advanced clients, such as yourself. He offers in-person sessions and have a great motivational and supportive coaching style. And guess what? He's going to contact you via lucas@gmail.com. So you literally have nothing to do. Just put in your details and you're all set. Thank you all very much for bearing with us. So We would also like to thank Ryan Gallagher and Emma Coyle, who has been our mentor on this program. So we'd like to thank everyone here for listening, and we'd like to give a very big thank you to Ryan Gallagher, Emma Coyle, the IBMers that volunteered, looking at you, James, there he is, and the mentors from the PTech program. Thank you all very much, and if you have any questions, we'll be happy to take them.
How did you
Fire away.
add the login details? Like I remember.
So how did we add the login details? Don't remind me. It was traumatic. So I sat in front of my laptop and I got help from James. So we sent an API. You might not understand that, but literally we're just saying if user wants to log in, send user's data to our backend and store it. And then we're getting that information when user wants to verify their login.
Will you be fixing the back image of a site that we saw before?
The background image of our site is for our dashboard or our
For your website itself, not the dashboard.
so the landing page. I don't see anything wrong with the image. I think it's quite appealing. So if it's not broken, don't fix it.
You won't go.
So after completing this technical project, like, do you feel inspired, or what did you learn most from it?
So I thought you were gonna ask me if I was gonna choose a career path.
That's obvious.
You obviously didn't ask me because even before this program, I've always loved tech, and this program made me realize that I was lacking too much in my back-end development knowledge. Because sure, I could do the front-end things, I could do the pages, I could make front-end functions, but I couldn't do the back-end stuff. I only started learning a little bit of back-end in this project, so I feel like after this project, based on your advice, I'd tackle Node.js and learn more about the back-end. So, do you have anything to add?
Yeah, and for me, like I want to pursue a career as a software engineer. So I do after this work placement, I know like the things I need to improve on and the things I like, and it's actually I need it.
Yeah, go on.
Is there anything you'd add to your website?
Oh, there's a lot I will add to my website.
Well, I think our website's perfect, so.
It is, but I'm kind of like a perfect freak. So I'd add a detail that I could get the height in inches, maybe 5'7", 5'8", and then transfer it to CM, and other cool features like that, or send reminders if you have a trainer booking, or send in plan reminders and things like that. So it's good, but it could be better.